In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your career using Glassdoor tools. First, we'll get set up. Head over to glassdoor.com and create your free account by clicking Sign Up. You can use your email or a trusted social account. Once you're in, take a minute to complete your profile with your current role, key skills, and experience. This helps personalize what you see and makes your research more relevant. Don't worry about perfection here, just make it accurate and concise. Next, start exploring companies. Click the Companies tab and search for organizations you're curious about. Look closely at overall ratings, benefits, and culture notes, not just the headline score. As you browse, jot down a short list of companies that match your interests. Think about size, industry, and locations that suit your lifestyle and career goals. Now, dive into salary research. Open the Salaries section and enter the job titles you want to pursue. Compare pay by city, company, and experience level to see how compensation shifts. Use these ranges to set realistic targets for your next move and to understand what skills might boost your earning potential. When you're ready, check active opportunities. Go to the Jobs tab and search for roles that align with your goals. Use filters like location, job type, and company to narrow the list. If something catches your eye, save it so you can revisit it later without losing track. By the way, you'll find a link to glassdoor.com right at the top of the description, so you can jump in immediately. Before you apply anywhere, return to those company pages and read employee reviews. Prioritize insights on work-life balance, management style, and growth opportunities. Look for patterns across multiple reviews rather than single opinions. This helps you identify which employers truly match your values and which ones to avoid. With your research in hand, plan your path. Compare salaries, job openings, and reviews to map out what's next. Do you need a certification, a new technical skill, or a stretch project at your current job? Write a simple action plan with timelines so you can track progress and stay accountable. Finally, set alerts and keep monitoring. Turn on job alerts for specific titles or companies, and revisit salary data and reviews regularly. Markets change, and staying current lets you adjust your plan without losing momentum. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll turn Glassdoor into a powerful guide for your career decisions. Thanks for watching.